Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and you had an amazing start into 2025. After I've been sick for like a week around Christmas time, I finally recovered and therefore also took the first week of January quite slow. I'm also trying to slowly get a little bit more active again. I mean, I still feel quite exhausted, I found out, but I really enjoy starting moving my body a bit again. So we did like a very long walk on the 1st of January and then we went on the next day to the gym. And what I would also like to do now in winter is some winter sports. So for tomorrow we have planned to go skiing and I'm so excited for that. I also ordered myself a new pair of ice skates that just arrived today. So I'm all in for the winter activities and I can't wait to try them out. Now I just need to be a little bit more patient and wait for my boyfriend's skates to arrive as well so that we can go together. These are the skates that I got. They are from a brand called Roces. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly. I think it's an Italian brand, but they just looked so classic and I just really liked the design of them. They are called the Paradise model and I decided to go for the ones that have a faux fur lining for some extra comfort and some extra warmth. I already tried them on quickly. They seem to be quite comfortable, but of course we will find out once I will try them out for the first time and I'll probably take you with me. So I guess this video will be a little winter activities vlog and I will just take you with me the following days where we will be doing some fun stuff. And we're also planning to book an actual snow trip. So for tomorrow we will just go to a skiing area nearby and just spend one day there. But I also would really like to do some wintry getaway and we already picked out 2 nice hotels that we have on our short list. Now we just need to decide which one we will book, but I am super excited for that because I'm in such a winter mood now. I love all the snow activities and I'm just enjoying the cold so much. I'm a real winter lover. And talking about a winter getaway, I actually have something else to show you. It somehow feels like a second Christmas for me because there arrived something very nice lately that I didn't unbox with you yet. So I think it's about time because this piece is the perfect travel companion to put in all my snow gear and everything that you need for a little winter getaway that we're planning now. It is this huge delivery here from BAM Luxury Store and I already had a little sneak peek, so you see that I already opened it, but I just couldn't wait. In case you don't know anything about BAM Luxury Store yet, I'm going to explain you a little bit about it. They are basically reselling designer handbags and accessories and it was founded by a French couple, Margot and Vincent. And Margot I already met, fun fact, in Barcelona. I think it's already 2 years ago if I remember correctly, when I was on vacation in Barcelona with my boyfriend to celebrate his birthday back then. I met her for a coffee. It was quite spontaneous, but it was super nice, and now 2 years later we are still in contact and she offered me to choose a bag from her current stock, so I'm super excited to show you what I decided to take. I just love to support small businesses like this and it feels extra special because I know the owner and founder of it. They have such a great selection of luxury handbags of all the brands that we love, from Chanel to even Hermes, but also Dior, and you can also find lots of Louis Vuitton, Celine there. Everything that a girl could wish for. And I also think that they have quite good prices, quite competitive, so if you're out for a good designer deal, you should definitely check them out. If you decide to shop there, make sure to check out the website on Wednesdays because Wednesdays are the backdrop days. So you have the greatest selection of all the new arrivals. Margot usually also shares all the new arrivals on Instagram, so also make sure to check out that and follow their business site so you will not miss out on the latest handbags and accessories that come in. Of course, all the pieces are authenticated professionally based on Margot's expertise, but also with the help of technology. So BAM Luxury Store is also using a certification software called Entropy that is helping to authenticate luxury items with the help of AI and image recognition. So you can really trust that the pieces are all real and that you will not be sold a fake. And these times you have to be very careful with that. Of course, when you are buying from the resale market, you should really choose wisely where you shop from, but I can really say that BAM Luxury Store is a very trustworthy source to shop. If you are on the hunt for a very specific piece that is super hard to find, you can also ask them to help you source it. So they also offer personal shopping, which can be quite helpful because of course they have a much broader network than you would have as a private shopper. And on the other side, if you want to get rid of some pre-loved item that you are no longer wearing or no longer enjoying, or you need some money, then you can also use their consignment services. So that's actually how they get the bags. They are resellers, as mentioned before. So if you want to part from a luxury handbag, for example, you can also get in touch with BAM Luxury Store, and they will do consignment as well as direct buyouts. And they will help you to sell your item easier. And again, here comes in the big network that they have. Their entire client database will open you a wide source of potential customers that might get your bag. So that might help you, of course, to sell your items a lot faster than if you would just post them on your personal accounts or on some reselling pages where you might not get that much of reach. And one last thing that I wanted to mention before I will unbox the bag that I decided for. BAM Luxury Store is also shipping worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are located. You can shop there from anywhere in the world. All right, I would say it is time to have a look inside. I am so excited to show you guys. It's such a nice find. It's a vintage find, so very nice one. We have here a beautiful wrapping paper with the BAM Luxury Store print. The goods are all safe and secure with the bubble wrap layer in between. So let's remove that. We even got two bags actually. So let me show you what do we have here. So this one is a little thank you notice that you usually get when you order something at BAM Luxury Store. It says, "Thank you for your order. We hope you will love your new designer item." I will for sure do. And then we also have here the certificate of authentication that proves that this is actually a real Celine bag. So it says certificate of authenticity. The BAM Luxury Store team has personally inspected and evaluated this item and determined it to be 100% authentic. And then it also says a brand name, so we have something from Celine in here, and the model, and also the date of authentication and the serial number if it's available. What else do we have here? A little heart-shaped thank you sweet treat, so cute. And this here, let me just put this down for once, is a little canvas bag that says, "All I need is a Birkin." I mean, how fun is that? I love such little canvas totes. They're so practical for doing groceries or yeah, just throwing in anything that you need to carry around. Super cute little gift. Fun fact, this is actually true because I still don't own any Birkin bag or any MS bag. So actually it's very accurate for me to wear this instead until I might have found my MS bag. If it ever will happen, we will see. All right, and here we have the bag. Comes in a black dust bag. Let me take it out. And it is a vintage Celine macadam travel bag. I mean, how gorgeous is this? Let me just unfold it for you. So this is my new Celine vintage Boston travel bag, unfolded and in its full beauty. I am so happy with this find because I actually did not own such a travel bag yet. I only have one Dior bag that is my gym bag, but it's a little bit smaller, so it's not really a travel bag. But this is really something that I was missing in my bag collection, and I was already considering here and then to get a Louis Vuitton travel bag, but honestly, I think the Celine one is so much cooler because not everybody has this one. It's a vintage piece and I love the monogram canvas. It's so iconic. Also here we see the little Celine Triomphe logo embossed. When we look a little bit closer at the condition of the bag, I have to say that it's absolutely pristine. It has no tarnishing on the hardware, so it's perfectly golden without any tarnishing, and there are also not that many scratches on here, so it looks like it's in a really good condition. Also, the canvas has absolutely no flaws. There is not even a corner wear visible on this bag, so the previous owner probably has not worn this a lot. And also when we look at the leather parts here, it has just a very slight patina, but really not much, so it doesn't look used at all. Also, when I have a look at the handles, they look absolutely fine. You almost don't see any traces of wear on this bag. Let me show you the back side of it. It's in absolutely perfect condition. Honestly, the condition is so good that I think it doesn't even look vintage if you wouldn't see it because of the Triumph canvas, but that's really, really impressive. Let's have a look at the details. So we also have here a little luggage tag where you can write in your address, your name, whatever you want to put in here. And on the other side here, we also have a little key charm. So cute. Let me insert some close-up shots so that you can see all the beautiful details of this bag. And this little key charm is actually not only an accessory, it also has a function, because when I turn it back to the side, you see that we have here a little Celine lock, and I think that this is supposed to unlock it. Let's try. Let's see if it fits. Yes, it does. It actually works. So this is not only a cute accessory, but you can actually use it to lock up the bag. Let me demonstrate you how you can close the bag. So on the zipper that opens and closes the bag, you can see that there is a little hole stamped inside, and then also here you have another one. So you can basically put this together and then close the bag with the lock so that nobody can get inside. You just put this once through here, and then for the other one, and then you close it and nobody can open the bag anymore. And make sure to not forget the keys, of course. I am just absolutely in love with all the details that this bag comes with. So let's have a look now inside of the bag. Let me open it up. So from the inside it looks like this. We have a caramel brown canvas lining, and it's actually quite spacious. So there are no compartments in here. It's really just a big space to throw in everything, perfect for traveling. Unfortunately, I can't find any date code or date stamp in this bag, but I did a little bit of research and it must be someone from the late 90s, early 2000s. How do you like my new travel bag, guys? I'm absolutely in love with it, and I want to say a huge thank you to BAM Luxury Store for sponsoring this video and for making me the new owner of this beautiful vintage Celine macadam travel bag. Make sure to check out the BAM Luxury Store website, and maybe there's also waiting a rare vintage find for you there. Margot was also so kind to give me a discount code for you. So with the code OAT50, you get 50 euros off on any purchase over 500 euros. That's it for now for the bag. I would say we pack it right away for tomorrow's ski trip and see how much fits inside. paradise. First snow trip of the year and we are enjoying it to the fullest. It is so nice. I just love skiing. It's so much fun. Just go outside and do it. Good news, my boyfriend's skates also finally arrived in the meantime, so today we are about to go ice skating. They are from the same brand as mine. I still don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's called Roces, but he got the black version of them, so it's not exactly the same model, but the same brand. We will try them out today for the very first time. I'm so excited. And we got another gadget, perfect for capturing all our winter adventures and winter sports activities. We got a Insta360 camera. I'm not sure if you've ever heard about this one before, but it's basically a camera that is filming a 360-degree view, and it also has a very good stabilizer included, so it's perfect for filming sports and any activities that involve movement. Can't wait to test this out, and of course I'm going to include the footage that we're about to capture now in this video, so ice skating is the perfect occasion to try this one out. We'll see each other on the ice.